Hello and welcome. Let me show you Milwaukee's next generation M18 Fuel 15 and 16 gauge finish nailers. In 2019, we launched the next generation of the 18 gauge finish nailer, redesigned from the ground up thanks to the valuable feedback of our end users. Following on from the success of this tool, I'm pleased to announce the launch of the next generation 15 gauge and 16 gauge nailers to our finish nailer range. With no refillable gas cartridges and no cleaning required, the nailers are designed to deliver durability and reliability to the most demanding users with very little maintenance. Both these nailers have been optimized to consistently sink nails sub-flush in all common materials and orientations, with reduced recoil and a reduced hole size left by the nail and striker. Setting the depth is easy with the tool-free depth adjustment. With ready-to-fire nail technology, ramp-up time is eliminated between each nail discharge, meaning that the tool is always ready to go and is capable of firing 3 nails per second. By streamlining the front of the nailer, we've improved the line of sight to the material. We have also reduced the overall weight of the tool for better balance and less fatigue. The tool is equipped with 3 different nose pieces that are stored on the magazine. These can be quickly changed out depending on which position the nail needs to be placed in. Should the nailer jam, it can easily be cleared by releasing the jam clearing latch situated at the front of the tool. Both the nailers have sequential and contact modes and also a dry lockout system, which stops the nailer firing when the magazine is almost empty. When equipped with Milwaukee's M18 red lithium 2Ah battery, they will fire up to 1,200 nails per charge for excellent productivity. The M18 Fuel 15 gauge and 16 gauge finish nailers deliver the performance that the professional carpenter expects, combined with the freedom and convenience of cordless. Thank you for watching and stay safe.